I picked up this 2-pack of LED lights. They're like panels that you screw into your garage light sockets. And this is supposed to be a lot brighter and be much more energy efficient than the bulbs that we already have. So I'm going to go ahead and get these installed in the garage, and we're going to see how well they look. So when you take these out of the box, you're going to get these 2 lights here that were wrapped in plastic. I took that off and put it in the box. Then you also get this manual here that tells you, basically how to install them and adjust them. And it's as simple as screwing these into your already available light bulb socket. So this is your standard, I think it's like E26, E27, something like that. It's just your standard, light socket type of screw in here. You put this in like you would a regular light bulb, and then you put these down like this to fan out, and now you have this light in the middle and all these lights here. And you can, of course, adjust them a little bit on how you want the light to dissipate throughout your garage. I specifically bought these for our garage because we have a 3-car garage, and it's got 2 light sockets like this on top, and it just doesn't light up the garage very well. So I'm going to see how well these work. Hopefully they'll be bright enough where I don't have to go and put all of those big long lights in there. So let's go ahead and get these things screwed in, see how well they do. So this is one of the lights that we have in the garage right now. As you can see, it is a compact fluorescent light, but it's actually a larger light. I think these are 200 watt equivalent lights. And I added these to get it brighter in the garage, and I just still don't like the way they do. I mean, it's definitely brighter than it was, but not nearly as bright as I think we can get it with LED. So we have 2 of those, one over there and one here. So I'm going to pull these down and put the other lights in. So that's the new light installed, and it's actually hard to really get an idea of how bright this thing is because the camera's just getting washed out from how bright this thing is. But it is a lot brighter than this one over here. Of course, the color is different too, right? This is like a really cool, got that orangish yellowish color to it, and this is definitely more of like a daylight color. But if you want to kind of see how they're blending, the one on the left is a 1-car garage, the one on the right is a 2-car garage door. And this one side over here is lighting up the whole 2-car garage side and even some of the 1-car garage side, when this one over here is just really not cutting it. So it's going to be a lot brighter with both of those lights installed. So now I've got the other one installed, and again, as you can see, it's really washing out my camera because it's so bright up here. But another thing I really like about it is those little wing lights. You can actually turn and adjust those little wing lights to be able to fill in some of the shadow areas, or if it's like in a corner, you can angle it more toward the corner versus against a wall. Pretty neat how it lets you fill in the light around it. But yes, all in all, very happy with these things. Much brighter in the garage. Even though I had those high-powered lights already in here, these things are still much brighter. Hope this information was helpful. Thank y'all for watching. Take care.